Choose paint systems and practices that cut repaint frequency and lower lifetime maintenance costs for exterior house painting. For long-lasting results, start by investing in premium acrylic paints that offer extended manufacturer warranties and proven ultraviolet resistance. Pick products with explicit exterior durability ratings and follow their coverage recommendations when calculating quantities. Prepare substrates thoroughly by removing failing coatings, cleaning with a mild detergent or trisodium phosphate replacement, and allowing full drying time before any primer or paint. Use an alkali-resistant primer on new masonry and a high-adhesion primer on chalky or glossy surfaces. Control moisture sources first by repairing leaking gutters, replacing failed flashing, and ensuring proper grading so water does not contact siding, because even the best paint will fail quickly on wet substrates. Choose lighter colors to reduce heat-driven expansion and ultraviolet breakdown, and select durable sheens such as high-quality satin or low-luster exterior acrylic, which shed dirt and resist abrasion better than flat finishes. Apply 2 full coats when the product recommends it, and monitor cure windows and recoat intervals. Temperature, humidity, and dew point matter. So paint only when conditions meet the technical datasheet guidelines. Finally, plan for preventive maintenance with scheduled gentle cleanings and small touch-ups on vulnerable areas to prevent small failures from becoming large ones. The 3 most common mistakes are painting over moisture or active leaks, skimping on substrate preparation, and using low-quality paint to save up front. If you paint over active moisture or undiscovered leaks, the coating will blister and peel quickly, so always inspect and fix leak sources and use a moisture meter or allow extended drying before painting. Skimping on prep, like failing to remove chalk, mildew, or loose paint, leads to adhesion failure, so focus on mechanical removal, proper cleaning agents, and the correct primer for the substrate. Choosing low-quality paints often saves money initially, but increases repaint frequency. So buy the best exterior acrylic within your budget and follow manufacturer application rates to ensure the warranty and performance. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners seeking maintenance, minimizing paint strategies with local contractors and product-savvy peers, helping us compare approaches and estimated costs. We also offer a discussion community, so homeowners and contractors can ask questions, share experiences, and find opportunities to work together.